Hello everyone. So in today's tutorial, you are going to see what is HTML. So what is HTML? It is a kind of web technology and it stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is a standard markup language for web pages. Means it's the most standard way to develop a website or web application. So how do you make a HTML website? So you use HTML elements in it. So they can be HTML tags and they can be written using this arrow keys. And first of all, who made HTML? So Tim Berners-Lee in 1980, he wanted to create the websites for him to share in www. So he created HTML, and he created his own browser and server software in the late 1990 for the HTML. So what are the features of HTML? Firstly, it is a markup language, so it means you can create your own tags, you can use the existing tags, etc. Firstly, main thing is it's platform independent, so it can be run on any operating system. So today's websites that you see on your mobile phone or your computer, they are running on HTML, which is why it is platform independent because it is supported in every operating systems. Then it is not case sensitive like your password of some Facebook or Google. It is not case sensitive while typing the tags. Then you can draw the titles, list, or make paragraphs in HTML. You can control fonts, colors, positioning using CSS that can be added to your HTML website code. So you can build your own tables in HTML, you can build your own forms, etc. So these many things can be done in HTML. So what is a tag in the HTML? So to start a tag, you write something like this. You write a particular existing tag that is given to you before you start coding. So there are predefined HTML tags like this H1 tag, which starts this way and ends with a slash. So it is used to make a header. So whatever written inside it will be bigger than the normal text. Then p text is used to make a paragraph. So what are the attributes or the characteristics of HTML? So the elements or tags can have a particular attribute or the characteristics. It provides the details about that tag, and they come in this name. So this is like a format for the tag. So this is a simple HTML document, means a simple website that has a title of page title as heading. This is the heading. Then there is a new paragraph, then another paragraph. So you can see it by going in here. So it will look like this. Heading H1 will look like this, then a new paragraph, then another last paragraph. So this is how the HTML website will look, and whatever written in HTML file can be defined that it is an HTML file by typing this on the top of the file, that is exclamation doc type HTML. It shows us that this document we created has the type of HTML. Then the HTML file starts with this and ends with slash HTML, and the visible part of HTML document is between body tag. So this is the basic structure of an HTML file. So HTML, then head. Inside head you can give a title to your website. Then inside body tag you can show whatever you want to see in your website. So body is the main tag in the HTML which shows us what we want to show to the users or what we want to see. So what are the different versions of HTML? So it started from HTML1, then 2 and 3, 3.24, and today we are using HTML5, which is the latest version. So whatever websites you see today, they are defined and designed using the HTML5. And Adobe, uh, firstly the websites used to be made from Adobe Flash, but to support HTML5 they stopped using Adobe Flash anymore. So this is how the HTML has developed throughout these years.